Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Khalid, and in this tutorial I want to share what is the meaning of conflict management and 5 solutions to conflict resolution. Basically, conflict management is a process where you try to understand others people's perspective about the problem or the issue and how to come about with different solutions to it. And the 5 solutions to conflict resolutions are: first, problem solving, collaboration, and confronting. In this method, if you see in the screen, people involved in the conflict or having a difference in opinion, they come forward to discuss the problem at hand with a very open mind. Second way is compromising and reconciling. In this method, sometimes for certain conflicts, there will be a need for the involved parties to think of a middle path wherein both parties decide to give up something and identify a solution. Number third solution method is withdrawing or avoiding. In this method, in some situation, one of the parties in the conflict may decide to retract from the discussions and allows going with other person's opinion. Number fourth is forcing and competing. In this method of conflict resolution, in some situations, a person with authority and power can force his or her opinion and resolves the conflict without giving any chance to the other party or person. And in last, smoothing, accommodating. In this is a technique which is used when the atmosphere seems to be filled with apprehension, distrust among the parties involved, and no one is coming forward for resolving the conflict. The idea behind these 5 ways of solving conflict or 5 solutions to conflict resolution is that how you are taking the problem, how you are reacting or responding to the problem. That is very important. When any kind of problem is there, when any kind of conflict is there, how you respond to it, how do you react to it, that is the most important thing. And after doing that, what is the outcome of it? So when we are focusing on conflict management or anger management, these are very important things, that how do you feel inside out, how do you express yourself inside out, and how do you understand others people's perspective in solution or in reference to giving a solution to the problem or maybe simplifying the problem. So I hope you will find this tutorial informative. Please do share your feedback on how we can improve on teaching and coaching 2020 @gmail.com. Thank you for watching.